Friend, welcome to my YouTube channel Electrical Boost. Today we are going to discuss some problem regarding nodal analysis. Okay, here the question is given that the current in 4 ohm resistor or to find current in 4 ohm resistor. Here the question given circuit is that okay, we need to find current in 4 ohm resistor. Okay. Let here we see three loop. This is one loop and this is three and this is third loop. Here we can also apply mesh analysis method, but if we apply mesh analysis it going to be 3 equation, but if you apply node analysis there is 2 node, so that it to be 2 equation, so that it is easy to be solved. Okay, here before applying node analysis you have to find where is the node. Okay, let's start. Here is one node, previously you know what is node. Okay, here is node and here is another node. Okay, here the node number of node is 3. According to the nodal analysis, we take one node as reference node. According to my assumption, we take this node as reference node or ground node. Okay, and this node as non-reference node. Okay, this node are non-reference node. This is so the node potential at one node is V1 and node potential at node 2 is V2. Then we apply node analysis at node 1. This is node 1 and this is 2. Okay, let's start. Apply KCL. Apply KCL at node 1. Okay, in node analysis we take node potential is higher, so that the current is flowing node to reference. Okay, the current are divided from that. Okay, so we can also write, we directly apply Ohm's law here. Okay, this is V1 minus, here is the plus sign, so that my assumption is minus V1 minus this voltage 5 divided by resistance. Here 2 ohm are connected in series, so that this is 4, then plus this path. Okay, this path how much? This is minus, so that V1 plus 5, then this must resist, this potential is there, so that minus V2 divided by this much resistance 2 plus 1 plus 1, this is 4. Okay, then plus this path. Okay, this is how much? V1 minus V2, V1 minus V2 divided by 2. Okay, then plus this much, this is V1, this is not reference, so that this 0, V1 minus 0 divided by 4 is equal to 0. This is our first equation. Okay, let's solve this equation. Okay, let's solve this equation. I solve in here in this case. Okay, we take 4 as LCM. This is 4 and this is how much? V1 minus 5. Okay, and this plus V1 plus 5 minus V2, then plus V1 minus V2 then plus V1, okay, equal to 0, okay. Then we simplify this circuit, we finally get how much? We finally get 5V1 minus 2V2 is equal to 0. This is actually first equation, not this, okay, sorry. This is our first equation from node 1. Then we apply KCL at node 2, okay, node 2. So apply node 2. Here node 2 is higher, okay, node 2 is higher potential, so current will flow from node 2, okay. So apply node 2 as equation, so that first you can write V2 minus V1 by this much resistance 2 ohm, okay, then plus this V2, this plus appears, so that this minus V5, then minus V1, then this much resistance series, this is 4, okay, then plus how much, this is this much V2 minus 5, this 5, and 2 plus 2 is series, this is 4, okay, this is equal to how much, 0. After simplifying this is 4, okay, this is 2V2 minus 2V1, then this is plus V2 minus 5, okay, then minus V1, then plus V2 minus 5, okay. After complete solving this, we get minus 2V1, okay, minus 2V1 plus 4V2 is equal to 10, okay. This is our second equation. This is our first equation, this is our second equation. After here we write, okay, here write, after solving equation 1 and 2, we get how much? We get V1 is 1.25 volt and V2 is equal to 3.125, okay. This is we get from calculator, okay. Finally we find V1, V2, but our objective to find current in 4 ohm resistance, okay. Here the current in 4 ohm resistor is how much? This V1 by 4, this potential divided by this resistance, okay. This much potential divided by this resistance is current flowing to this, so this much potential is come, that is V1 with respect to reference node, so that V1 divided by 4, we can write here current in 4 ohm is I 4 ohm is this V1 divided by 4, okay. Then the V1 is 1.25, divided by 4. This is equal to this is equal to this is equal to 1.25 by 4. This is equal to 0.3125 ampere. Okay, this is our final answer. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and comment. Thank you.